it's me, Micaiah, and I might be doing my homework after I do this. My brother is playing his instrument, and this is what I have to go through sometimes when I am doing my homework or when I'm like chilling. I would usually get my headphones and put it over my ears so I'm gonna block out some of the sound. It won't be that loud. My room is like across from his, and yeah, it's really loud sometimes. So I would usually I would just put my headphones on. So that's him playing, and yep, guys. Bye. I know this is a short video, but yep.